These aren't just gadgets, they're the kind of crazy tech you didn't even know existed until now. Hidden on Amazon, these innovations are smart, unexpected, and instantly addictive. From futuristic tools to everyday upgrades that feel unreal, each one pushes the limits of what tech can do. And trust me, once you see the last one, you'll want it immediately. Number 1, what if your entire digital world could float right in front of you without screens, without limits? Meet the Rokid AR Spatial, spatial computing glasses that transform how you see, work, and interact with technology. The moment you put them on, your environment expands. Instead of looking down at a device, you're surrounded by it. Multiple virtual screens, immersive visuals, and information placed exactly where you need it. It feels like stepping into a workspace that exists in mid-air. What makes it truly next level is how natural it becomes. You can watch content, manage tasks, or explore immersive experiences without breaking your flow. Everything feels smooth, responsive, and surprisingly intuitive, as if the digital layer is part of your real world. And it's not just about visuals, it's about freedom. No bulky setups, no fixed screens. You carry your entire setup with you, wherever you go. Using it feels immersive, efficient, and undeniably futuristic. You're not switching between devices anymore, you're controlling your entire environment with ease. This isn't just AR, it's a new way of computing, where your reality and your digital life blend into one seamless experience. Number 2. Meet the SwitchBot Universal Remote, the one remote that finally brings everything together in a way that actually makes sense. The moment you start using it, the clutter disappears. No more switching between remotes or searching for the right one. Your TV, lights, AC, and more all respond from a single, clean interface. It feels organized, effortless, and surprisingly satisfying. What makes it truly futuristic is how it adapts to your habits. It learns how you use your devices, letting you create scenes that match your routine, like turning everything on or off with a single action. It's not just control, it's automation that feels personal. Using it feels smooth and intuitive. You're not managing multiple devices anymore, you're controlling your entire environment with ease. This isn't just a remote, it's a smarter way to simplify your space, where everything works together exactly the way you want. Number 3. What if your wall could transform into a full cinematic experience without a traditional TV? Meet the Samsung Premiere 5, a device that goes far beyond a projector and turns any space into a smart, immersive entertainment hub. The moment it powers on, your room changes. Crisp, vibrant visuals spread across your wall, creating a screen that feels massive, clean, and incredibly lifelike. But it's not just about watching, it's about experiencing content in a whole new way. What makes it truly stand out is how seamlessly it fits into your lifestyle. No complicated setup, no bulky hardware, just place it, turn it on, and everything feels instantly premium. Using it feels effortless and immersive. You're not just viewing content anymore, you're stepping into it. This isn't just a projector, it's a smarter, more flexible way to bring cinema into your everyday life. Number 4, meet the Aqara Smart Lock U400, a true hands-free access system designed to make entering your home feel effortless and secure at the same time. The moment you approach, it just works. No keys, no phone in your hand, your door recognizes you and unlocks smoothly, like it's been waiting for you. It feels natural, almost invisible, removing that small but constant friction from your daily routine. What makes it truly next level is how it adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're coming home with your hands full or letting someone in remotely, it gives you complete control without complicating the experience. Everything feels connected, responsive, and reliable. Using it feels seamless and modern. You're not thinking about access anymore. It's already taken care of. This isn't just a smart lock. It's a smarter way to enter your space, where convenience and security work together effortlessly. Number 5, what if your charger wasn't just a tool, but something that actually felt alive on your desk? Meet the Ugreen Nexode RG, a compact, robot-inspired GaN fast charger that blends power, personality, and futuristic design into one small device. The moment you plug it in, it stands out. That playful, robotic look isn't just for style. It gives your setup character, turning an everyday accessory into something you actually notice and enjoy. But behind that design is serious performance. It intelligently delivers fast, efficient power to your phone, tablet, or even your laptop without overheating or slowing down. What makes it truly next level is how seamlessly it fits into your routine. You don't think about charging anymore. It just happens, quickly and reliably, while keeping your workspace clean and minimal. Using it feels smooth, modern, and a little more fun than it should. It's a small upgrade, but one you'll appreciate every single day. This isn't just a charger, it's a smarter, more expressive piece of the future sitting right on your desk. Number 6. Meet the Fantic E2 Ultra Electric Screwdriver, a compact, high-tech tool designed to make everyday fixing, building, and tinkering smoother than ever. The moment you pick it up, it feels refined and controlled. It's lightweight, perfectly balanced, and built for accuracy, letting you handle delicate electronics or small repairs without frustration. No slipping, no over-tightening, just clean, precise movement every time. What makes it truly stand out is how intuitive it feels. With adjustable torque and smooth electric control, it adapts to the task in front of you, whether you're working on gadgets, assembling gear, or making quick fixes around the house. Using it feels satisfying and efficient. You're not struggling with manual effort anymore. You're working smarter, faster, and with confidence. This isn't just a screwdriver, it's a precision experience, designed for a future where even the smallest tasks feel seamless and effortless. Number 7. Meet the Dreame Leptic Cube, an action camera built to keep up with your life no matter how fast it moves. The moment you start recording, it feels different. You're not worrying about angles or stability. The camera handles it for you, delivering smooth, clear footage even in motion. Whether you're traveling, riding, or exploring, it captures every detail without slowing you down. It fits into your flow seamlessly. It's compact, easy to mount, and ready in seconds, so you can focus on the experience instead of the setup. You're not stopping to film, you're just living, and it captures everything naturally. Using it feels light, fast, and incredibly intuitive. It stays out of your way while delivering results that feel polished and cinematic. This isn't just an action camera, it's a smarter way to capture life in motion, where every moment is recorded exactly as it happens. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.